Okay, so here we see three triangles, and what I want you to notice about these three triangles is that each side of each triangle has these line marks through them, okay, the little tick marks. So that tells us that every single side of every single triangle is the same. Okay, so here it's telling us this side is 4x, which means this side is also 4x. This side is also 4x. This side, this side, this side, they're all 4x. Okay, so here we're solving for two things. We're solving for x and for y. So if I look right here, because this tick mark and this tick mark, they both only have one line through it. Okay, that tells me that they are equal to each other. So to solve for x, it's very easy. You're just going to say 4x equals 40, divide by 4, divide by 4, x equals 10. Okay, so that's very easy because all the sides are the same. Okay, because these are equilateral triangles, that also lets me know that every single angle is 60 degrees. This one's 60 degrees, this one's 60 degrees. Okay, this one's 60 degrees, this one's 60, this one's 60. So that means this one down here also has to be 60 degrees. So equilateral triangles, all the side lengths are equal and all the angle measures will always be 60 degrees and equal.